So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from your CIBC bank account on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up on the home screen here, go to the top, press on PayPal balance, then press on add money, and then type the amount of money that you want to add. So for this example, if I wanted to add $25, I can press that, and then where it says link a bank account at the bottom here, press on that. Under popular banks, CIBC may show up for you right here, which it does for me. If it doesn't, go to the search bar, type in CIBC, select it, then it's going to go ahead and redirect you to a new page. Once you guys are on this page right here, you can type in the card number and your password, and then agree and link your account by pressing on agree and link, and then you can add the money through your CIBC bank account this way. So that is how to add money from your CIBC bank account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.